Today, I got a package. Let's open up and see what's inside. Inside, there's some tools and an instruction manual, plus this little display screen. And the main thing, the Ender V3 SE. Look at that. Here's a quick little montage of me printing a low poly Tyranitar from Pokemon. I kind of printed it because it was easy to print, and I'm very satisfied with how it came out. Just look how satisfying it is to remove it from the base plate and take off all the supports. I kind of sped it up because it took around 2 minutes to take all of it off. This is the first test print, and look how clean it is. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I definitely suggest the Ender V3 SE for any beginner 3D printers.